Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Spectrum TV application on an LG Smart TV in 2026. Now, if you want to watch the live TV on-demand shows and DVR without a cable box, this is the easiest way to do it. So first of all, on your LG Smart remote, you just have to simply press the home button. After that, this is going to basically open the LG home menu on your TV. So among the given options, you just have to look for the option of LG Content Store. This is LG's official app store where you can basically download the streaming applications. So once you are inside the app store, you just have to search for the Spectrum TV application. When you search for it in the search bar, you just have to basically look for it. When you are able to find it, simply select it from the given programs. After selecting it, you are going to see the install button. So you just have to click on the install button and download and install the Spectrum TV application on your LG Smart TV. So this is going to take around 30 to 60 seconds in the installation. So you just have to wait until then. Once the installation is completed, simply just open the Spectrum TV application and log in here with the help of your Spectrum username and password. Once you log in, the app will load all the live channels, the on-demand content and DVR if your plan includes it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.